Welcome to this quick guide on essential shortcuts in ComfyUI. Mastering these keyboard commands will significantly speed up your workflow and make your creative process much smoother. Let's dive right in. 1. Generating workflows. Control+Enter. This is your primary shortcut for queuing up your current graph for generation. Once your workflow is ready, just hit Control+Enter and ComfyUI will start processing your image or whatever your graph is designed to do. Control+Q. Sometimes you need to stop a generation mid-process. Simply press Control+Q or Control+ period to cancel the current generation. Undo, redo, save and load. Control+Z. Made a mistake or want to revert an action? Control+Z or Ctrl+/ will undo your last action. And if you undo too far, you can use Control+Y to redo. Control+S, saving your hard work is crucial. Ctrl+S will save your current workflow. Always remember to save frequently. Control+O. To load an existing workflow, use Ctrl+O. This will open a dialog where you can select your saved .json or .png workflow file. 3. Node manipulation, selection, collapse, mute, bypass, delete. Control+A, want to select everything on your canvas. Ctrl+A will select all nodes in your current workflow. Control+B, if you want to temporarily disable a node without removing it, select it and press Control+B to mute or unmute selected nodes. Muted nodes will be skipped during generation. Delete/backspace. To delete selected nodes, simply hit the delete or backspace key. Be careful, as this action is irreversible unless you use undo. Canvas navigation and adding nodes. Space. To pan around your canvas, just hold down the spacebar and drag your mouse. This lets you navigate large workflows with ease. Control+LMB, left mouse button. Control+LMB, click. To quickly add multiple nodes to your selection when dragging, hold Control or Control+click on the node you want to add individually. This can save time when building out your graph. 5. Copying and pasting nodes. Control+C, then Control+V. The classic copy and paste. Select your nodes, hit Control+C, then Control+V to copy and paste selected nodes. This copies the nodes without maintaining connections to nodes outside your selection. 6. Advanced node manipulation. Shift+drag. To move multiple selected nodes at the same time, just hold Shift and drag them around. Control+G. Keep your workflows organized. Select a group of nodes and press Control+G to group selected nodes together. This creates a visual container and can help keep your canvas tidy. 7. Graph management and view. Control+Shift+ for canvas zoom in and Control+- to zoom out. Alternatively, you can use the middle mouse roller button to do the same. Q. To toggle the visibility of your generation queue, press Q. This can be helpful if you want to see what's coming up or clear the queue. W. Similarly, W will toggle the visibility of your history, allowing you to see previously generated images and their associated workflows. R. If your graph isn't displaying correctly or you've made external changes, R will refresh the graph. F. To show or hide the main menu, simply press F. 8. Quick search and wire management. Double-click left mouse button. The quickest way to add a node. Double-click anywhere on the canvas to open the node quick search palette. Start typing the node name and select it from the list. Control+Alt+LMB. To quickly disconnect all wires from a click slot, hold Control+Alt and click on the input or output slot. And finally, a note for our macOS users. Where you see Ctrl in these shortcuts, you can generally use your Command key instead. That concludes our guide to ComfyUI shortcuts. By integrating these commands into your workflow, you'll find yourself creating and experimenting much more efficiently. Like and subscribe and hit that notification button because the next video you are not going to want to miss. We are going to use some of these shortcuts and ComfyUI to do text to image generation. See you on the next one.